address sa kanya, and then kung ano man yung nakaka-disrupt sa normal course of life of the people there, bawal, i-dismantle niya. So dapat po ganun. Kung gusto kasi natin ng order, at yun ang appeal natin nga sa KOJC members na wag manggulo, wag daanin sa dahas, i-honor ang mga court orders. That's the same standard that we will ask of our police
Correct, Mr.
personnel or
President.
police people.
Correct.
So, the commander on the ground, if I am not mistaken, is named Brigadier General Torre. Police
General
Brigadier
Torre, Mr. President.
Is he Colonel or General?
General.
General, Brigadier General. I think it's Police General Torre. So siguro, yun na lang po yung appeal natin sa kanya. I mean, the arrest warrant, as far as I know, is valid, can be served at any time of
Any
the
day,
any day,
anywhere.
any week, anywhere, for as long as you see the subject person of the arrest warrant. But I don't think you can claim that you have found the person because you have found a heartbeat, Mr. President. I mean, and then this is a new technology na masyado pang kailangan i-explain mo na sa atin. Gaano kalayo niya na-detect? Asan ba yung, as far as you know, Mr. President, saan yung makina which detects the heartbeat? Nasa highway?
I don't know, Mr. President, but I believe this is the same machine that is used to determine the living individuals during earthquakes.
Earthquake, oh.
Pag may calamity, may earthquakes, may buhay pa na tao na natabunan ng rubbles, Mr. President, yan ang machine na ginagamit.
Kaya nga, so ang ating ibig sabihin nun, they were allowed, the KOJC people or leadership were cooperative enough to honor a court paper, a court order, to allow the police to enter the compound bringing their machine. Siguro yung machine nila is in close proximity with the ground or the area that they were able to detect a heartbeat. So they should act immediately. They cannot dilly-dally and not act and prolong the enforcement of an arrest warrant amounting to a siege na gusto mong starve na lang yung tao sa yung whoever is that person with the heartbeat na mauhaw, magutom at kayo lumabas. Hindi po pwedeng ganun ang estratehiya po natin. Now, especially now na meron na pong TPO or whatever name we call that order coming from a Davao court. So ganun lang po, sana ang appeal na lang natin sa commander on the ground at saka yung supervisor ng commander or commander ng commander who is the PNP chief plus the DILG secretary na since umabot na nga kayo dun sa na-detect ninyo yung heartbeat kasi nga yung mga KOJC personnel, people, cooperated to that point na nalapit yung makina sa lupa or sa building because there is